Hello student, in this video we talk about how to write any language in Filmora 12, right? So how to write this language, so open your Filmora, right, and from here you import your media. First we import my media, so click here, and from here I want to import any media, right? So I want this media logo, and then drag and drop, right? And from here you use your Windows, and in Windows you click on the language button, right, bottom right side. So I click on it, and from here you see the language preferences, right? So click here, and we goes to the language setting in our Windows system. So from here you see the edit a language. Already the English United States is installed, Urdu Pakistan and Hindi Hindustan is installed. So we click on edit a language. So from here you see all the world's top languages, right? So in this video we choose the German language, right? The German language. So I write the German, and from here you see the English, Germany, Dutch, Dutchland, the German, Germany. So I select this language and then click on the next, right, and set as my window display language, no, and then click on install. So this language, the Germany is installing, right? So it takes some time. So the downloading is start, right? So student, the German language is installed, right? Now we close the window, right, and then again the language setting, and in language setting we choose the German language, right? So German language is selected, right? Now we click on the titles, and in titles we drag and drop the simple title, right? And now you click on it, and when I writing it, so it will be the German, right? It will be the German because I don't know German, but this alphabetically is the German. Now I open the shortcut keyboard of my laptop, right? So all the alphabetic is the German alphabet. Now I want to change now I want to change this alphabet from German to the Hindi. Now I click on it, the language setting, and from here click on the Hindi language, right? So it will be changed to the Indian language, the Hindi, right? And now when I write here, so it written in the Hindi form. Now I want to choose now I want to change it to the Pakistani language, Urdu. Now from here I select the Urdu language, the keyboard is the change, and from here when I writing something, so it written in the Urdu language. Now from here I want to change to the English United States, so click on the language setting and change the English United States, use keyboard, US keyboard. So click on it, the keyboard is changed to the English language, and now from here, so I write nomadic Afridi. So it is a simple method how to write any language in Filmora just in few clicks. Thanks for watching.